Hi there. To start the process of connecting Hirevire to Go High Level, you need to set up a webhook within Pabbly. On this webhook, once set up, gives you a webhook URL, that is a connect.pabbly.com URL that you can copy and set up, paste in the custom webhook URL in the job settings section. You can test the trigger as well. One more thing I want you to do is to set up the advanced settings and enable the advanced settings as well. So this will include the answers, the video URLs, and the transcripts for a future part of this Zoom recording. So once you test this trigger, there is different ways to test it. You can test it here, or you can submit a job application to the job that you're doing this for. In our case, that's a demo job. I've already sent out a submission here. As soon as you do that, you can get the response in Pabbly. So that shows you details about the application as well as the shareable URL. So this URL is the URL that um, is a system generated shareable link that can be shared with someone who needs to view this application without logging in. We have title of the job, the applicant email, and the answer video URLs as well, right, along with any transcripts that might be generated. So as soon as that response comes through, you can use this to move to step 2, which is connect to the lead connector V2. This is a section of Go High Level which connects Go High Level to other systems. Lead connector V2. That means you can connect. You need some sort of an intermediary connection. That means I've given the applicant email to be the same email as the email required that needs to be updated. And I created an additional info field in the contact in Go High Level, which can be updated with the shareable URL link. So inside additional info, I created a Hirevire application link where I'm now posting the shareable URL that we are getting. Right? We can see this in the contact section. This was the contact that I created. And this was the email for the contact that was already present in Go High Level. If you go into additional info, you get to see a shared link also show up there. This link is the shareable link for all of the application information in a branded page that can have your branding right here, right? So this is part 1 of the information that I wanted to share with you about connecting Hirevire with Go High Level. Next, we go to downloading the files from Hirevire to Google Drive. So we'll do that with the same Pabbly Connect webhook integration. You can use Google Drive to have an action, which is upload a file, which can then collect the answers from. So there needs to be a public file URL that needs to be given, and you can take this from webhook by Pabbly and then look at all of the answers that are created. So there are different video files for each of the answer. So I've chosen only one video file at this moment, which is the answer number 3. It starts with 0. So answer number 3 is here. You have to give a folder ID, that is your Google Drive folder ID where you want to save these information. And then you can define a name for the file that needs to be given as well. So I've given the job title, given hyphen, the applicant name, and then the question 3.mp4 or answer 3.mp4. That can be. And as soon as the answer comes through the next time, this particular question automatically goes into your Google Drive, wherever the folder you defined as. This one is Hirevire.